Buying an auto shop is probably one of the few times in life where you look at a grease-stained floor and think, that's equity right there. The price tag usually ranges from $150,000 to several million, depending on location and how much it smells like old tires and opportunity. But seriously, the hunt starts with location. You might love working in the middle of nowhere, but unless cars are driving themselves to you, people need to actually find your shop. Google auto repair near me and notice how crowded that map gets in cities. The most common pain point I hear about is unexpected costs. You see those lifts and fancy alignment machines? They're often leased, not owned. You'll get the keys, then find out you also inherited a $900 month payment to a company in Iowa you've never heard of. The big money, though, isn't just in fixing cars, it's in relationships. A well-loved shop can do 6 figures in revenue a month, even in sleepy towns. But only if there's trust. Reviews, repeat customers, and fleet accounts are the holy grail. Without repeat business, you're toast. Pro tip, always ask how much of the business is collision versus basic maintenance. Collision repair equals high profit, but also high drama with insurance companies and weird legal headaches. Oil changes? Less drama. But see you in volume world, my friend. When doing your due diligence, look for 2 numbers: average monthly revenue and average ticket size. If you're seeing $80,000 a month and a $400 average job, you've got a busy, well-oiled machine. Lower numbers? You'll be hustling harder than a Portland hipster at a cold brew festival. Employee skills are a weird wild card. Turns out, half the techs in the country would flunk a modern emissions test. Spend a day shadowing the current owner. Watch who's actually working and who is just hiding in the break room eating vending machine Pop-Tarts. Don't fall for the captive customer myth. Yelp and Google reviews can make or break you overnight. I've seen a 5-star shop lose everything in 90 days because the new owner tried to save money by cutting labor hours. The community noticed. Trust me. Negotiation is where most people lose or gain a year's worth of salary. Always request 3 years of tax returns, not just profit and loss statements off QuickBooks. If the owner gets weird about showing you paperwork, you've dodged a $300,000 bullet. Here's a painful truth. An auto shop's value almost never matches what an owner thinks it's worth. Banks know this. They'll usually loan 80% of fair market value, not the sticker price. So, bring a trusted CPA to separate wishful thinking from real math. Hands down, the fastest way to double an auto shop's value after purchase? Implement digital scheduling, follow up religiously with customers, and offer honest estimates. I've seen shops rocket from $400K to $900K in annual revenue in 18 months this way. Buying an auto shop is not for the faint of heart. But if you like solving real problems and aren't afraid to get a little dirty, it's a rare way to own something with instant demand. People always need their cars fixed, even in Portland, where everyone wishes they could bike everywhere.